Data Modeling and Database Design Vocabulary Assessment Tool. Welcome to the final assessment module, Data Modeling and Database Design. A robust software system is built on a solid foundation of data. This section will test your understanding of how to translate requirements into secure and efficient database structures. Theme 1. Determine database types. Focus, choosing the right persistence technology. Term definition for assessment database. Type, the classification of a data management system based on its structure and operational model. Relational database, RDBMS. A type of database that uses tables, relations, to store data and enforces relationships using structured query language, SQL. NoSQL database. A category of non-relational databases that provides a mechanism for storing and retrieving data that is modeled in means other than the tabular relations used in relational databases, e.g., document, key value, graph. ACID, an acronym for properties guaranteed by RDBMS transactions. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Base, a set of properties often applied to NoSQL systems. Basically available, soft state, eventually consistent. Assessment question example. VoiceOver. Which database classification provides transaction properties characterized by atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability? Answer, relational database or RDBMS. Theme 2. Generate the conceptual model. Focus, high-level technology-agnostic representation. Term definition for assessment. Conceptual model. The highest-level data model representing the business requirements of the data without considering implementation details or technology. Entity A, real-world object or concept about which data is stored, e.g., customer, order, product. Attribute, a property that describes an entity, e.g., a customer's name, address, or ID. Relationship. The association between two or more entities, e.g., a customer places an order. Entity Relationship Diagram, ERD. A graphical representation of the conceptual data model, showing entities and their relationships. Which element in a conceptual model represents a real-world object like a product or a user? Answer, entity. Theme 3. Generate the logical model. Focus, structure for a specific database type. Logical model. A representation of data that shows how the data is organized within the database structure, e.g., tables, columns, but is still independent of the specific DBMS software. An attribute or set of attributes that uniquely identifies each record or row in a table. An attribute in one table that references the primary key in another table, establishing a relationship. The process of organizing the columns and tables of a relational database to minimize data redundancy and dependency. The process of intentionally introducing redundancy into a database by combining data to improve read performance. What is the process of structuring tables to eliminate redundant data and ensure data dependencies make sense? Answer, normalization. Theme 4. Standardize the data model. Focus, ensuring quality, consistency, and governance. Data Standard A. Documented agreement on format, definition, and quality rules applied to data elements across the organization. Data governance. The overall management of data availability, usability, integrity, and security within an organization. Naming convention. A set of rules for naming database objects, tables, columns, indexes, to ensure consistency and readability, e.g., using snake case or camel case. Data integrity. The accuracy and consistency of data stored in a database, ensuring it remains valid over its entire life cycle. Metadata. Data about data. Descriptive information that provides context, meaning, and structure to the operational data. Which term describes the consistent rules established for naming tables, columns, and other database objects? What is the term for the detailed, centralized document that defines the name, data type, and meaning of every element in the data model? Answer: Data Dictionary. Theme 6. Define data security policies. Focus: protecting the information layer. Data security policy. A set of rules that defines how an organization protects its information assets from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Encryption. The process of encoding data in a way that only authorized parties can access it, usually through a key. Access control. The method of restricting access to a resource based on the identity of the user, e.g., role-based access control, RBAC. Audit trail. A chronological record of system activities, particularly those related to security and data changes, used to track who did what and when. PII, the abbreviation for personally identifiable information, which is data that can be used to distinguish or trace an individual's identity, e.g., name, social security number. The policy of granting or denying users permissions to read, write, or delete data based on their job function is an example of what security measure. Answer: access control. Congratulations! You have covered the key vocabulary across all 3 essential modules of software design artifacts: analysis and OOD, architecture and modeling, and data modeling and security. You are now equipped with the technical language to contribute effectively to any software development project. Settings. Add karaoke-style subtitle. Use a male voice with a New Yorker accent for the narrator.